Talk us through the boat here, Michael. This is the one. That's it. A little bit of background music.
That's the what?
Fault line.
That's the one used to be the fault.
That's all just stuck together with a bit of resin in the middle, isn't it? It's the fault line. This is the weak point of the whole setup, really.
Outboard.
Many horses is she carrying?
There's not even one horse in this here. Not even a donkey.
Right.
It's probably about
Shetland.
half a Shetland.
Or Great Dane.
I'm not certain that it's going to even fit this boat. It's really meant for the other boat. I don't think the jig's going to be.
I think it's worth a stab though.
It's worth a stab very quickly. I'll be able to tell very quickly here on the
Yeah, when the boat goes down. This is the key piece here though, with a couple of bits of wood floorboard, some black tape,
These are the key bits.
battery.
Keep them apart, Chris. You're supposed to be in charge of all of it. Have you sabotaged it in any way?
No, that's perfect. It's a perfect DIY job. The underlay, a bit of floorboard, a bit of skirting board. Perfect. Just getting this thing hooked up now.
Always had a roof above me, always paid the rent, and I never set foot inside a tent. I couldn't build a fire to save my life. I lied about being the outdoor type. I never slept out underneath the stars. The closest that I came to that was one time my car broke down for an hour in the suburbs night. I lied about being the outdoor type. Too scared to let you know you knew what you were looking for. I lied until I fit the bill. God bless the great indoors. I lied about being the outdoor type. I never owned a sleeping bag, let alone a mountain bike. I can't go away with you on a rock climbing weekend. What if something's on TV and it's never shown again? It's just as well I'm not invited. I'm afraid of heights. I lied about being the outdoor type. I never learned to swim, can't grow a beard or even fight. I lied about being the outdoor type.
Well, obviously you caught something that's quite hard to catch.
Caught a fish tonight. Big fish too. Big red fish, big jellyfish. Yeah, tentacles everywhere.
They're hard to catch. They're a waiting game with those things. They won't go.
I wait it hard. I've been waiting years actually for it.
Yeah. But it got away, did it? How'd the engine perform?
Excellent, excellent. That was the best thing about tonight. That was a dry run with the engine in the plastic boat. High performance, very speedy.
I know you'll maybe be able to wakeboard behind it sometime or something like that there. Try a bit of skiing.
Or skiing.
That'll be interesting.
It's not quite that fast.